It is storming outside. Badly. I'm recording this moment. The storm.
Hail?
We don't normally get hail in Michigan, do we? No.
The backyard's flooding. Great.
Oh. And I tried making something out of mud. That's probably gonna break up.
I get washed away. You didn't want to play ball, huh?
You're scared of fireworks, but you're not scared of hail and floods. You're a strange dog.
Just not.
She's a cute dog. She's a cute puppy. Arr. Louie, calm down. If you have to go to the bathroom, I don't think you want to go outside at all.
Season. If you count December, January, and February, the warmest we've been is 71 degrees. It also matches the warmest February high temperature on the record books. Ever since back in 2000,
Wow. It is just pouring. Oh, I think it's stopping. I think it's going down a little bit.
I think we've got a very good chance of getting there. We're not far from the mark right now.
I'm just gonna stop the recording right here. I think this is enough evidence we have, or like video. My porch. I don't think you can see it, but look under that table. You see it? Look under it. See that white stuff? That's just completely hail. That's how much hail there is. And like the start of my backyard is just soaked. It's flooded. It is. The news is on. They're talking all about it.
We will be keeping an eye on perhaps a few of those showers mid to late afternoon. We get a couple of them. That may help to stabilize things just a bit, especially west.